Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. A good news for all of you is that the One UI 5 official stable version has started rolling out. Samsung have rolled out this update for the Galaxy S22 series in a handful of countries including India, Spain, United Kingdom and more. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install this update manually if you don't want to wait for the OTA update to hit your region. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100k subscribers. I've been working very hard towards that goal and I need your support. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I reply to all the DMs on my social media handles. Okay, so first, who is this guide for? Well, this guide is for anyone who doesn't want to wait for the OTA over the air updates. Also the users who just wish to refresh their phone with the reinstallation of a new firmware, they can use this guide too. This is the method to install the official stable Android 13 on your Samsung Galaxy. It will not void the phone's warranty. You need a Windows PC, your phone and the original data cable of the phone and a good internet connection to download the firmware. This guide will work for all the Samsung Galaxy phones provided that the official Android 13 One UI 5 is available for download, which in my case is available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra at the moment, but this update will start rolling out for other phones very soon. You can use the same method to install any other firmware version on your phone too. This is the kind of a generic method, but I'll be demonstrating it for the One UI 5 on the S22 Ultra specifically today. If you follow this guide to the letter, you won't run into any issues, but if you are unsure of something, make sure to ask in the comments below. Let's prepare the phone and the computer now. First of all, download the firmware tool and Odin on your computer. You can find the links for both the tools in the description below. Extract the firmware and open it on your computer. You will find the form to enter the model number and the CSC now with the auto option selected. Now enter the model number of your phone. Here my S22 Ultra's model number is SMS908E, so I'll enter that. If you're not sure about the model number of your phone, you can just go to the phone app on your phone and dial *#1234# and you will get the model number along with some other details. Now in the CSC tab, enter the CSC of your region if you have the update available but it's not reaching your phone via OTA. But if the update is not available in your region entirely and it is available in some other region, you should enter the CSC of that region. CSC is a country specific code and it doesn't really change anything on your phone and it doesn't cause any kind of harm either. In my case, the Android 13 OTA update is not available in my region, but it is available in India. So I'll put India CSC here, which is INS, and my S22 Ultra has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. So India's variant is the one that goes in line with my variant. The United Kingdom and other European regions have the Exynos variant, so you can definitely get the CSC according to your own device and your desired region. You can find a list of all CSC codes in the description below. I have attached a URL for that as well. Now click on the firmware update and firmware tool will fetch the latest firmware. As you can see, it's found the Android 13 and now you can select the download location of your computer and start downloading the firmware. The main advantage of using the firmware tool is that it's a super fast tool as you don't have to wait for hours on a website that throws tons of ads your way. So make sure that you support the developer of this tool if you can, because it's an amazing tool and it has eased many lives. firmware will download the firmware and do all of its necessary process. Once the firmware is downloaded, access the downloaded file and extract it to get the AP, BL, CP, CSC and the home CSC files. The AP file contains all the firmware files including the system. The BL file contains the bootloader, CP contains the phone and modem info. CSC and home CSC both contain the country specific features. Now extract the Odin that you just downloaded earlier and open it. In the Odin tool, load the BL file into the BL tab. AP goes into the AP tab. The AP file will take a bit, so don't worry if your computer hangs for a moment. CP goes into the CP tab, and now comes the CSE tab. In the CSE tab, add the home CSE file if you do not wish to factory reset your phone. But if you want to factory reset and let it be an entirely new installation, add the CSE file instead. Do not touch any other thing in the Odin. Do not touch any settings at all. Your Odin should look exactly like mine at this point. Now here is my S22 Ultra running on the Android 12 One UI 4.1 at the moment. First, go to the About Phone section on your phone, whatever phone you are carrying. Now click on the software information, tap the build number 7 times to enable the developer options. Open the developer options now and enable the USB debugging and OEM unlocking. If OEM unlocking is missing on your phone, ignore it. Now you can see that I have connected the data cable of my phone to the PC, and you have to connect your cable to your PC or laptop. Power down your Samsung Galaxy phone now. While your phone is off, press and hold the volume down and the volume up keys, and while holding these keys, plug in the USB cable. This will take your phone into the download mode. Now press the volume up key to continue, and you can see that Odin's light has now turned blue, which means our phone is connected and we are all set to start the process. Now put your phone down, double check everything, the blue light in the ID.com box of Odin, all files and everything, and then click on start. The flashing process or the installation process of the firmware will start, and this process can easily take 5 to 10 minutes. Let the Odin finish its job, and once it's done, it will automatically restart the phone and you can unplug the phone then. You can see that my phone has already restarted and Odin shows us this pass message now. Let's wait for the phone to boot up. Remember that the first boot can take several minutes, so do not freak out if your phone is taking long here. Just let the phone boot up. And here we go. You can see that my S22 Ultra is already there, and let me just show you. You can see that it's running on the official stable One UI 5 Android 13 now. And this is how you can install the Android 13 on any Samsung Galaxy phone, of course given that the update is available for your phone. Android 13 brings a lot of new features and goodies that I'll discuss in another video shortly. This video was just about installing the firmware, and I hope you guys have a clear understanding and you're able to update your phone manually to the Android 13 now. If you have any questions or queries, ask in the comments below, subscribe and like this video. In the meanwhile, I'll see you guys with a complete review of the Android 13 One UI 5 shortly. Till then, I'll sign off. See you all in the next one.